Hello, Rick. I'm back
Hey, Jonas.
to terrorize you.
How are you?
To bother you again
Yeah, no problem, man.
after sound check.
It's just, you're welcome. You're very welcome to my kingdom.
Your kingdom.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah. What are you doing?
No, nothing. We just had a sound check
Yeah.
in Thessaloniki, and I think we're pretty much ready for the big show tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I thought it was so cool last time when you showed us the silent arc.
Yeah.
How your
sounds?
like sounds
Yeah.
and workflow and everything.
Sure.
Would you mind sharing another one?
Definitely. Yeah. Which song you wanna?
I don't know. Do you have any favorite songs to play live? Or?
Well, always fun with the new songs. Like Weightless is a really cool song to play. I can show you a little bit how I do that.
Yeah, that'd be great.
It's once again the main stage. Really awesome program that I use. So I have like different patches, and then I can here's like the mixer, so I can have different more. There's one sound here on this channel, one more and one more. So for example, in the intro I combine 3 sounds, and the first sound is like an arpeggio. There's an arpeggio, and it sounds a little bit like this. Fede, can you give us some monitor, please? That's our light, our sound guy.
Yeah.
Sound guy.
Monitor,
The amazing Manidora.
and now you are open.
And this is so cool. I can choose. This is the sound without arpeggio. Turn on the arpeggio. And then I combine this arpeggio with 3 more sounds. One piano and one more arpeggio thing. So I can do the intro like this. And then I have another arpeggio down here, so it becomes like this. So it's so cool to be able to do this live without having like a sequenced backing tracks or anything. And it's not hard to play. The only thing I have to be like on the exact timing.
Yeah, you need to be on time.
I need to be on time, so the arpeggio gets right.
Yeah.
And then I move on in the song, and the verse is also like arpeggiated, but with a string underneath, like this. So it's also arpeggio and with the string, and then I have the piano up here, so I do like this on the verse. Really cool. And then the chorus, I just have like arpeggiated bass. This is a very arpeggiated song. Yeah, that's.
Yeah. And was it a piano there as well?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, cool.
That you heard
Nice.
correct, sir. What else? The song moves on. We have kind of a break. This pad comes in. And then there's like a stick with a lot of stuff happening. Jonas getting wild on the drums, and I try to catch up with this sound. Some strange kind of beat. And in the the end of that stick, there's like a big crescendo, and I come in with this. It's very cool.
Yeah.
The banging gets really serious.
When the banging gets real.
Yeah. And then then there's another chorus, and then there's like the outro, pretty much like the song started. And I have all the sounds just in line, so I just
On the keyboard
go
itself?
with on this control board. I don't have to.
Just a stand?
I just
Oh, do you want one in the corner?
take it step by step, and the whole song is programmed really easy. So so that's pretty much how the song "Weightless" in my point of view.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing.
No problem.
Yeah. Hope to see you soon.
Hope so.
I'm gonna. Yeah.
I'll see
go
you
away
soon.
right
Yeah.
now, so leave you alone.
Yeah. Take care, guys.